Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to turn your Snapchat text sideways. Really easy and simple to do. So we're just going to head over to Snapchat really quick and open that up. Just going to take a picture of a random background, and I'm just going to go to start text. You can click any letters that you want. I'm just going to click this one and just put testing. So all you have to do is when you have this here is you just want to place your one finger from your left hand stationary on the text, and then you're going to use your other fingers on your other hand to drag up, and then as you guys can see it will just start bending and rotating. So you can just put it sideways like that, and it's really easy. I hope I was able to help you guys out today with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.